Swaddy Cup. Now we're about to go over our fundamental footwork. Footwork is very important. So what we're going to do is start off with your left leg as your lead leg, your right leg as your rear leg. And we're up in our guard, just like that. And we're barely marching, okay? And when you march forward, it's with the front lead leg. When you march backwards, it's with the rear leg, okay? Well, you'll be able to see a bit more demonstration. So here we are going forward again. Just small steps, okay? Now here it is from a side angle. There it is. So when you go forward, it's always the lead leg that goes forward first. When you go backwards, it's the rear leg that initiates the backward footwork. And you're not quite stepping, you're kind of, think of it like you're sliding. So the lead leg is going forward and the rear leg is kind of sliding. Imagine if you had like a ball and chain on your rear leg. That's what you need to do. So there isn't no huge steps here. We just call this marching. We're just marching. Your guard is up, your chin is down, eyes on your opponent. Okay, and we're just marching. Okay, and now let's move left. And when you move left, it's always the lead leg. You move right, it's the rear leg. Just like that. Rear leg, rear leg, rear leg. Good. And again, lead leg, lead leg, lead leg. And you want to get comfortable going left and right, forward and backwards. Now you can go ahead and drop your guard and chin up to breathe. But then once you get close to any opponent, you get right back into your stance, right back into your guard, chin down. Good. Okay, now we're just marching. And we're gonna do side steps, half circle, okay? So what you wanna do is, when you're circling the opposite direction, you want to extend your arm out to help you push. So imagine there is an opponent in front of you and you're just pushing them as you rotate around them. And with your steps, you're kind of galloping, but not huge steps, okay? So if you go counterclockwise, it's the rear leg that initiates. When you go clockwise, it's the lead leg that initiates. Okay? And you always want to make sure you keep that chin down and your guard is up. And I just want you to get used to the footwork. You don't want to cross your feet, just always want to just gallop along. All right? And that is footwork. See you in the next video. Kap.